I think in society there's an understanding or a feeling that all insurance companies are alike.
Anthony is so different. I mean, it's almost like some kind of insurance reform.
Pensioners like myself should know, that there is a company here, insurance company, which is Anthony, that can offer a good coverage with less cost.
Bottom line for me is that I didn't want to take the time to call around.
I thought it would take more work on my part. But as I say, we were pleasantly surprised.
With Anthony now, it's local. If I don't know the number, it's as simple as looking it up in the phone book, and I know my agent's name.
You actually got a voice and you could speak to her, and she was, very helpful and wasn't rushing you.
Everybody I talk to, especially like friends of mine who are buying houses or who are buying cars, I always recommend that they shop around, and I always tell them that I've gotten a great deal at Anthony.
I was amazed, actually amazed. I even went to work and told everybody at work, guess what I saved in my insurance?
All of our neighbours know how well we did by switching to Anthony's, and I suggested to them they do the same thing.
So I've explained to a lot of my friends, and some of them have already gone to Anthony now and to explore it, and a lot of our pensioners now that retire, are exploring that,
A lot of people are surprised at how much we saved and how easy it was to make the switch. I tell everybody, switch to Anthony.
Across the province, we're talking to customers who've switched to Anthony Insurance.
I should have been more on the ball years ago and paid more attention to how I spend my insurance dollars. When I went to Anthony, we were just blown away. $1,200 to a fixed income pensioner, a lot of money.
If you're a retired public sector worker or plan to be in the next 5 years, call Anthony to save. Anthony Insurance. We're the folks you want to talk to. Across the province, we're talking to customers who've switched to Anthony Insurance.
My previous policy was about to run out, so I thought that it would be a perfect time to call Anthony. I ended up saving $400. I said to myself, if I had known this before, I would have called before. I never thought in a million years I would be an insurance commercial. I've come a long way.
For better coverage at the best rate possible, call Anthony today. Anthony Insurance. We're the folks you want to talk to. Across the province, we're talking to customers who've switched to Anthony Insurance.
First place I called happened to be Anthony. She came back with the figures and I said, this can't be right because I'm paying way more at the previous insurance company. And she said, no, she said, this is correct. Because I said, I can't change over yet until I speak to my husband.
Very convincing when you say $3,000.
Yeah.
Go ahead, honey.
To start saving money on your home and auto insurance, call Anthony today. Anthony Insurance. We're the folks you want to talk to. Across the province, we're talking to customers who've switched to Anthony Insurance.
You get comfortable with one insurance company, like we were with them for what? Ever since we had a driver's license.
Yeah.
And when you think everything is the same, you don't bother to call.
And we knew we were
Right.
paying way too much money.
Yeah.
Yeah.
$700 in my pocket is better to be spent on volleyball for Taylor or
That's
piano
right.
for Tori. I could spend it in gas, salmon fishing.
Yeah.
Anthony Insurance. We're the folks you want to talk to.